Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off PC after a certain time. So to do that, head over to your search section and search for run. And once you find it, just write shutdown space dash s space dash t. Now give space again and write that time you want after your computer to shut down. So I'm just currently writing 600. It means 10 minutes. So it's 600 seconds. So once you click on OK, your timer will be set. Now, if you change your mind and don't want to shut down after this while, so what you have to do is go to run again and now write shutdown space dash a. Now click on OK and your timer will be turned off. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.